Hello and welcome. Do not listen to this recording while driving or operating any kind of machinery. This recording will help you relax in a way you have not relaxed before. It's very powerful, and when you continue listening, you'll find yourself in this place of relaxation, where it's possible for you to feel good. And not only feel good, feel better than before you started this. So as you sit here in this comfortable place, allow your eyes to close and let a wave of relaxation go from the top of your body all the way down to the toes. That's right, just let it go down. And with your eyes closed, you can sink deeper in this place as you notice your breath as it's already slowing down. Notice how your body feels. Notice just how relaxed you are. So relaxed that you do not even want to move. It's just too difficult and too heavy. And from this place, you can allow the muscles to relax even more. As you focus your attention on your feet. And while you focus your attention on your feet, it relaxes the entire feet. And with every second, it sinks down the surface. And focus your attention now on your legs, your lower legs, as they simply relax and sink down. Let it move to your upper legs, your thighs, that wave of relaxation sending you deeper. And it moves all the way to your hips. That wave of relaxation, feeling. And while it moves up, you feel your body relaxing as it goes to your stomach and your back, flowing all the way up into your shoulders and down to your arms, as your arms just sink deeper into the surface you're laying on. And allowing that relaxation just to flow down to your hands and your fingers. As your hands and fingers relax, that relaxation reaches your neck and your head, allowing your eyelids to feel so relaxed. So relaxed they do not even want to open. It's just too difficult. And if you would try to open and you find that they remain closed. That's right. Stop testing. Just relax even more. And in this state of relaxation, everything is possible. we can go on a journey deep inside, as my voice will be with you and guide you. And whenever you feel the need to move your body around to make it more comfortable for you, you can easily do so and allow that to bring you even deeper into this state of relaxation. And this will help you discover the path that's right for you. If you look in front of you, maybe you notice there's a path. There are bricks laying down in a way that's perfect for you to walk on. Feeling your feet touch the ground one by one as you feel your body moving, looking forward to the forest that's in front of you, the path leading you into this forest. It's a magical forest, a forest where anything is possible. So walk towards it and notice your breathing. Notice the way the air feels around you as it touches your arms and your legs, as you feel your body moving. And while walking, you are getting closer to the forest as you see the surroundings, the high trees, the beautiful shadows, and if you look above, the sky is getting a bit orange and red as the sun goes down. It's a beautiful sight, and you enjoy it as you go and walk even deeper inside this forest. And if you would look around, the trees are much higher than you. They create a beautiful canopy. And this path of bricks is leading you forward, and slowly the bricks fade and it's only sand. Still clear enough for you to follow. And as you look around, maybe you hear birds flying. Maybe you hear the crickets as water is nearby. Maybe you see the leaves are getting a bit orange as autumn brings this beautiful sight. And as you walk deeper inside this forest, notice you hear the stream of water beside you. There's water close, and you are curious for what this water brings with it. So you go to the side and walk through the trees to where you hear that sound. There it is, a stream of water. As you come closer, it's a fairly big stream, You could walk through if you wanted. It's not that hard. There are a couple stones where you can walk over. Pretty big stones. And they are stable. As you walk on these stones, maybe you go down and touch the water. It's cold, but it feels good. It can allow you to sink deeper. In this water, there's something special about it. It's very clear. As you are on the other side of the stream now, you notice there's another path that leads next to the water. It goes down a hill, a small hill. As you follow this path to see where the water can bring you. Noticing all the beautiful flowers that are still there on the ground, in the grass, in the trees, and the beautiful colors autumn brings. You feel your body moving as you walk. Ooh, right there in front of you. It's the end of the forest. The sea is there. The stream of water brings you to the sea. As you notice where the water touches the sea as it goes in. Notice the beautiful side of the sun in the sky. The sun is there as it goes down. A very beautiful red sky, beautiful sunset. And this is the perfect place for you to relax. Find a beautiful spot on the beach. And you go and sit down, looking towards the sky. It's getting darker now. You notice if you look up to the dark blue sky, there's some flickering lights of stars. And these stars just seeing them brings wonder to you. Feeling the sand around your legs and the air move around your body, hearing the sound of the sea. This place is perfect for you to sleep. That's right, sleep. So you lay down, looking towards the sky and the stars. And you can close your eyes and just sleep. as you go deeper and deeper and sleep now. That's right, sleep. Sleep. Relax. There's nothing for you to do than just sleep. Nothing for you to feel than just sleep. Nothing for you to be, just sleep. 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 And in this place, you can choose. You can go to sleep now, or I'll count and you can come to the surface, all the way back. It's your choice. If you choose to sleep and go even deeper, then let that count. Not bother you at all. It's just easy to sleep and relax. One, slowly coming up. 2, 3, more and more, feeling your body move. Feel how good you feel. 4, wide awake on. 5,